Hello, phrasal verbers. Here we are again with a new phrasal verb. Get into it, come on. Ask, over, ask, around. Let's talk about it. Excuse me, I was really getting into that. How you doing? Hope you're all well and fine today. I'd like to talk again about another phrasal verb. And like the last video, the last one I did, I had two that had kind of like the same meaning, and I think it will be the same thing for today. So, check it out. Ask over, ask round. Now these two have the same meaning, in fact. And they both mean to invite. To invite, usually someone or somebody. So you invite. So when you invite someone either to a party, to your house, or to come and see you, you ask them over or you ask them round. You ask them over to your house or ask them round to your house. So that's the meaning, the simple meaning for both of them. So I'm going to try and give you some sentences to show you how this works. So if we said ask over, for example, you can say, why doesn't Tom respond to my calls? I have asked him over several times this week and usually he doesn't respond. That's one way. Another way to ask would be, Tom hasn't answered our calls. He's been asked over several times this week and no reply. So the same. So the first one, I also add an object, which is usually the person, him. So ask him over or just asked over. You can kind of use the two. Usually because it's a person, you'll need that third object. So it'll be ask him over. Okay, and the him never moves. It's always in the middle. Ask him over. Okay, you never say ask over him, for example. Doesn't work. So ask round is the same kind of situation. It's to do with people. It's about inviting people to be with you or to see you. So you could ask someone round to a party or to go with you to the cinema or to come see you and other friends like that. So I usually like asking around my friends every Friday evening. That's another one. So there you have it. You have some examples and also the meanings of ask round and ask over. So now let's finish this off as we always finish it. I'd like to ask you round. Would you like to come around? Come around to my world. Phrasal verb world. When you get into phrasal verbs, come into my phrasal verb house. You could have some tea or some other kind of beverage if you like. Come round. I'll be happy to see you. I'm asking you over. Come round. Come on, we could dance together. Or we could just chill and talk. You say something. You say something. How you doing? Me? I'm great. I asked you around. Thanks for coming. Ask around. Would you like something to drink? I'm gonna have a cup of tea. You can have anything you like. Got stuff in there. Because I asked you around. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye.